The Realme 3 Pro has a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It also has a dual camera setup at the back. It has a 16-megapixel primary camera with an f1.7 aperture and a 5-megapixel secondary camera with an f2.4 aperture. The rear camera has dual pixel fast focusing and also supports an expert mode. It also has Super Nightscape to assist with low-light photography. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has an AI-enabled 25-megapixel front-facing camera, bringing with it features like AI Portrait. For security, it has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and also supports AI Face Unlock from the front-facing camera. The Realme 3 Pro runs on Color OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 AIE processor. The smartphone comes in 3 variants: 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, 6GB RAM and 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. The smartphone is available in carbon grey, lightning purple, and nitro blue color options. The Realme 3 Pro is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The smartphone is powered by a 4045 mAh lithium polymer battery that supports VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 fast charging. The box includes the handset, power adapter, micro USB cable, SIM tray ejector, pre-applied screen protector, case, and quick starter guide. The Realme 3 Pro comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other